Valiona Gray, Barakatar.
Ulit Derek!
Bunch of beautiful faces, ha? Maayong gabi, mga babaeng lalaki. In English. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. First of all, shout out kay Rafi Tulfo. Thank you for sponsoring this party. Bayan na naman kasabihan.
Praktisan yun yung...
Number one.
Nice, Kamel!
Sex is very important. Kaya kung wala'y sex, wala'y seven.
Nice, Kamel!
Number two. Letter O is very important. Kaya kung wala'y letter O, di mabuo among open.
Nice, Kamel!
I want to introduce myself. My name is Ivana Tilawico. 18 years of age. Thank you. Thank you. Evening, everyone. Evening, world. Dito lang ang Philippines. My name is Sophia Gazilis. Gazula. At nakakaso pa tingin, ako po may open.
Ulang part niya! Masaya bang ano? Ano?
You're welcome. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Hot dog.
Go na si Daniel.
This is Daniela Murag Dragon, 19 years old, virgin, and I, Salamat. Good evening, everyone. Magayong gabi. Palera mo na ka? Pa, muna nyo ni sa itong oras. Namutugan ko sa tinod. Bayot ko pa. Ano ko kulat na kaya magtunga bitot ka. By the way, my name is Agua. Nalibog mo sa Aguanta.
Kanon.
Di ng palong. Wala akong naganahan, anak da. But good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Gentlemen who are now ladies. And ladies who are now gentlemen. Oh my God, I'm so happy right now because I am the... you know what I mean? I am one of the hosts. So I'm so happy right now. So again, thank you so much, Ma'am Jen Tingson, for inviting me right now as a host. So, ladies, hi mga sis. Are you happy right now? So, again, good evening, Tabira. And again, to all the board of judges, good evening. I'm so happy right now because they are here. So, enjoy tonight, guys, because tonight is the battle of Queens of Tabira. So, what's the mindset today? Ako sa interview ng mga candidate. Is I candidate number 1? Mura mag-isipan. Takilid. Sos, baling ko pa, may mabunalag martelyo. Kaya ito na ako. So, are you happy right now? Ako lang binasayon kay, ay kasabot ang English. Dili. Kasi mabuang nga kay eskwela. So, akong binasayon na. Usa siya na pili mo, you are one, usa ka kandidata rong gabi una. Kay alam mo sa kong kapahabi, ato ba ako? Fine. May ang pakanog microphone. Go, usa mo muna pili rong gabi una. Mura kong talaba. Talaba? Bali man din yung makikita sa lungog kalabasan ko. So, I think, makadaog ka ng gabi una nga, mura makagbuo. Wala ko sure kay burikat kay ko. Kaya ka na dito. Isa ka merit number 2. Isa tubangan. Oh my God, you look so pretty right now, Michael. What's your name right now? Ivana Tilawiku. Ivana, so you look so fantastic tonight. So are you nervous right now? Or I think you're not nervous right now, so answer my question. Are you nervous? I feel happy and I'm malikayon. So, oh my God, you look so confident right now. So, even though it's it right now, so because you know what I mean. So, dali candidate number 3. So, mura chukil na asing buka. So, sabi na pili mo, you are candidate number 3.
It's a little bit nervous.
Nervous? Kung saan man na siya? Saan man ang words sa dong? Wala man ang Filipino words? Or, again?
Kasapon mas uyak na. Anong ibalik ko?
Hirap na yung sana all kayo magbulag yung tanan. Yeah. Do you think you are one of the queens tonight?
I don't think so.
So, thanks so not right now. So, you will exit now. So, dinobay candidate number 4. Talagang bunalan ng nose.
Sana all.
Ang tinapan. So, I think you're one of the rebonding right now. Your hair so damages. Isa yung Andre mo ng gabi una. Wow! Wow! Mula nakainom mo na rin, wala tayo ng buwangan. Kasi 100, kasi gamit up ni mo.
Jub-jub.
Kasi man, jub-jub, balaki man kayo ng buwan gamit up. Kasi man, jub-jub.
Jubeto.
Yes, that's Jubeto. Oh my God. Giriba ni mo rin yung buhok, that's. So, I think you are one of the queens tonight. Hindi ay, ba't akong question? Hindi gani. So, dali kan. Welcome to the world. Mubayot naman ko na siya. Nya, ganahan na ka nga. Balimang lisuran pag-pits OT. Ganahan na ka.
restaurant kay Baatan og Lambo.
Alam niyo kung patok pa nga ni buwangan. So, kaya ito bang nakubi? Ako pa, man, fine. Malamang okay. So, guys, kada music sa kuno gamay, music ko. Ay, palungas sa tindog. Tarog tindog. Kanang pa-voice. Sayaw ko, music kuno. Sayaw. Palungang ara. Muragi atay mo sayaw ng animo. So, I think Shark wins tonight. Candidate number 5.
Kasi kag panaway murag kabayo.
Oh my God, really?
Okay, dako kay kag simod, murag kag minata.
Kaya something ni Sir. Nakanda dito. Kaya something ni candidate number 5. So, ladies and gentlemen, I am one of your hosts right now. I am Jamaica Shopakanoy. So, I will exit right now because the second portion is the talent portions. But before I will proceed the talent portion, I will call the tawag ko na ko ang manayaw sa I will permission number.